Not to mention a duck.
Don't you know adults come up with that stuff just to bug us? They still make these? The Christmas stash!
Robot.
Don't flounder haphazardly.
You still here? Get out there and make me some cash, paper boy.
Betty? Oh, you're so stubborn.
Hey, you're gonna hurt somebody. This ain't a cartoon. That's my waffle. How's a guy supposed to make a living?
Do not fall run!
I ain't touching that.
Right behind you, man.
You got any bright ideas?
Excuse me. I'll be right back. You think I'm gonna be sick?
In your dreams and ruin all this frustration. The door on me! Oh, Ed! Check it out! Doesn't that look like the thermodestructible Wibble Whacker from Space Leech 4?
Oh.
Attack the Wibbles!
Get your onions in, boys!
What are you? Some kind of troll or
Attack the Wibbles! Wibbles away! Away, citizens!
What'd you call me?
The Wibbles! Hey!
Let me through! It was just a scam, Double D! How could it go so wrong?
Eddie, the laws of probability can be a really racist. Fight or scramble!
He's a maniac, I tell ya!
End of the line, dorks!
Wibbles have been terminated. Eddie.